Hey Glam Crew, it is your girl Nikki the Glam Teacher. In this video, I'm going to share my review on a Skypool in Dubai and just talk about how beautiful it is there and doable on a budget. Now, this place just opened. It is luxurious, top tier, and just everything rich, auntie, luxurious vibes. And I did it on a budget. Look at this beautiful view. I pulled up in a new Uber. It was a X7 series, I believe, and it had touchscreen everything. The driver could roll up the partition and just have my own little privacy in the back. Overall, a 10 out of 10 experience. And y'all, just watch the full video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am going to share all of the details and how you can enjoy this on a budget, because your girl likes to budget travel. Now, I did meet a little friend and he kind of got on my nerves, y'all. Like, towards the end of the video, I'm gonna tell y'all the details about this because I ended up dropping this one, and as usual, do my own thing because you're not gonna stop my show. Okay, Glam Crew, let's get straight into the juicy details. How much did this cost? But wait, did I tell y'all where I am? This is Alto 54, Dubai's luxury newest sky pool. It is located in the address, which is a upscale, everything in Dubai is upscale. Even the Ubers are upscale and they do not cost much at all. Like, every Uber is going to be a luxury brand. There's nothing raggedy, old, bad, rusty in Dubai. And I love the vibes. Okay? And it is very affordable. I'm sorry, but I wish I had gone sooner. And I always thought the flight prices are way too expensive. Once you book the flight, everything else is going to be within budget, okay? The cost to get in at Alto 54 is going to be 600 AED. Now, the conversion between the US dollars, no lie, I have to use a calculator, but it doesn't come out to be as expensive as it seems. 600 AED is about 160 US dollars. Now, this 600 fee that you pay up front gives you $300 of consumable, redeemable credit that you can get for food and beverages. And their food and beverages are delicious. You eat them right there at the pool, in the pool. They also have patio seating, sit wherever you like. You're going to love it. I believe I had the Wagyu sliders and the meat. Oh my, top tier. Now, I went during Ramadan, and also I believe on Sundays it's like a discounted price. Or I might be thinking of a different sky pool. I think that is China White. But on Sundays, a lot of places will be cheaper in Dubai. And if you travel during Ramadan, things are going to be at a discounted price as well. And I thought because it is Ramadan, I'm not going to be able to smoke hookah, shisha. I'm not going to be able to drink my little tequila, but that is not true. When you go to these upscale sky pools and resorts, oh baby, money talk. You can drink whatever time that you wish to drink. You can smoke your shisha. Now, some places, they don't care about the money. You're going to have to wait until after 6 p.m. But here, they offer shisha, which is why I picked this, because I wanted a one stop place. I didn't want to be traveling here, there, da 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 da. I wanted one place where I could enjoy everything. I could eat, I can drink, I can smoke my shisha, and I'm not going to come out $1,000 because easily most sky pools in Dubai, you're going to spend a day there and easily, at minimum, spend 1,000 US dollars. But here at Alto 54, that is not the case. And look at the most amazing, beautiful view. Now, this is the sunset part, and I'm just so overwhelmed with how beautiful it looks. You see the Burj Khalifa, you can see the Dubai waterfall, and it's going to start down there. Now, this particular spot I'm in at the pool, everyone wanted this spot because it was like right in the middle, perfect spot for your pictures in the view of the water show. So I was set on staying in this one spot so no one could like get it. I wanted to see everything. The ambiance here is so relaxing. The music is not too loud, not too quiet. You can still talk and hear other people around you, and that's what I really love. But because of the music, I don't want to get a copyright strike, so this is why I'm going to voice over. Now, this sky pool is on the 54th floor of the address. I'm pretty sure. You got to go up pretty high. You all saw at the beginning of this video me going up the elevator. Yeah, it's up pretty high and it does get windy and a little chilly at night, but the pool is heated, or at least it feels like it's heated. A lot of folks will come for dinner and then you can go out on the patio. There's cabanas and you can smoke your hookah, eat dinner, or if you're in the pool area, you can get a day pass for just that. You have to get a special pass, pay additional money to enter the pool. There were some people lined up trying to like do pictures and videos. They ended up having to put a security guard, yeah, a security guard to prevent people from coming into the pool area that hadn't paid, and to keep it like private for the guests that did pay and just give it a more exclusive type of vibe. So not anybody can just roll up in here. They don't allow that. And another thing, I thought the pool attire was going to be like modest. So I wore this swimsuit where I could zip it up or I could pull it down, show my little razzle dazzle. Look at this view. Yeah, this water was feeling so relaxing. So at the pool, y'all, you can wear whatever you want to wear. The ladies were dressed real scanty. Yeah, they was in the tiniest, littlest piece of cloth that they could find. And one thing I love about Dubai, or I should say another thing that I love about Dubai, is that you can't just record and take pictures of people without their permission. So when you are out at the beach or the pool, you don't have to worry about people taking pictures of you, making fun of your body, or anything like that. It's a very respectful environment. Now, if you do not drink alcohol, they have pretty mocktails there, premium cocktails. The food is like a Mediterranean type of food, and the presentation is really nice. I'm going to show you coming up here what it looked like. And when you get the pool day pass and everything, this is what comes with it. You get 2 bottles of water, you get some table nuts, you get little crackers, and then these are the drinks that we ordered. They have milkshakes there, And remember, you get $300 or 300 AED back from the $600 that you paid to get in. So you can redeem it for food. And it comes with these big, soft cloth towels, or fluffy, not cloth, fluffy towels. This is going to be the shower and changing area, which I am in love with. It is so beautiful and roomy in here, and they have separate for women and then separate for men. Look how big the shower is. The conditioner and shampoo had my wig feeling amazing. And this towel wrapped around Big Nikki really well. I was really enjoying myself. I was in there for a long time. At one point, the little guy that found me at my Airbnb and he wanted to follow me around all day, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I'm making my videos. You can come along, but you're not going to stop my show. And towards the end of the night, he's trying to rush me and say, oh, come on, we can go smoke hookah somewhere that's better. And I'm like, sir, I chose this spot because I don't want to go from place to place, and I've been drinking. I don't know you. I don't trust you. I'm here alone. We gonna stay right here and do everything that I want to do, or you can go about your day. And yeah, eventually he went on about his day. I have my own money, sir. I don't need to use you for anything. Okay? You should be thankful to be around me, not the other way around. But y'all, so I had a good time here at Alto 54. And guess what? Just listen to what I'm about to tell y'all. I ended up running into the guy as I was leaving out of my Airbnb to go have dinner and visit the club. And he like looked at me and was like trying to eye me. And I did not give him any attention. Sir, you cannot come in my life and try to unspoil me or bring me inside. I'm outside having fun. And I could tell his intentions was to be inside Netflix and chilling, and that's not the vibe that I'm on. I want to get out and have fun. So if you ever see me out on vacation, just know we gonna go out and have fun. Other than that, leave me alone. Just say hi and bye, cause you not gonna mess up my show. Look at the beautiful views here. When Dubai lights up at night, oh, you just want to sit there and watch and just look and just think and imagine all of the beautiful things that are coming to you in life. You just want to dream and just formulate the next plans for your life so that you can do better. Not saying you're doing bad, you just want to do better. There's always better out there. So just get yourself together. Look at the cars. Just look at me. I am happy, y'all. People will tell you compliments, your hair is pretty, this, that, and the other. Like, the people are nice in Dubai. So this is my little review on Alto 54. Will I return? Yes. Do I recommend? Yes. From the moment you step through there, everyone is going to respect you, treat you well, and your money is going to be well spent. You get a lot for the money that you spend. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Drop me some comments. Bye.